Dear students, welcome to online class. Today in this class, I am going to take 8th standard CBSE Social Studies. In that, we shall take Geography lesson. Unit number 1, Resources. Dear students, do you know what is resource? Let's discuss about the resource in this topic. In the beginning of the unit, they have given one situation, that is, Mona and Raju were helping their mother to clean the house. While cleaning the house, Mona got so many things: cloths, utensils, food grains, combs, bottle of honey, books, etc. So she said, each of these has use. We are using those things in our daily life. So mother replied, that is why they are very important and those are called resources. We are using those things in our daily life, so it is very important and so we call it, those things are resources. Raju questioned, what is resource? Mother answered that anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Look around us. We can able to identify so many types of resources in our surroundings. This is water. If we feel thirsty, we are drinking water. It is very important in our life. It is also an important resource. Electricity we are using every day in our house. It is also an important resource. Auto rickshaw or any other vehicle we are using to go to school, for the purpose of transport, to go somewhere. Those vehicles are also a resource. Vegetables. We are using vegetables for preparing food in our daily life. So, these are also called an important resource. Books. Why we are using books? For reading, writing, studying, improving our knowledge. So, we are using books in our daily life. It is also an important resource. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbook, they have something in common. They have all been used by us, so they have utility. Those things have usability. Utility or usability is what makes an object substance a resource. What makes a substance to resource? Utility or usability. If a thing has utility or usability, it makes that to resource. How does something become a resource? Raju wanted to know. So mother replied that things become resource only when they have value. If the things have a value, it becomes resources. Value means worth. Some resources have economic value, some do not have economic value. See this. What is this? Metals. It is very costly. We need this in our daily life. It has more economic value. This is a beautiful nature, beautiful landscape. We like to see this landscape, but it does not have economic value than the metals. We like to see the landscape. Both the metals and landscape also important and satisfy human needs. Some resources can become economically valuable with the time. Time changes the resources. How? Grandmother home have no commercial value today, is it? If you have any old grandmother's house, it was very valuable in that period, but now it does not have any commercial value. If we sold that house to any purpose, it will become economically valuable. So what we got from that? Time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. They are related to the needs of our people, needs of us. It related time and technology. People themselves are also an important resource. How we tell? Because of their ideas, knowledge, inventions, discoveries. It leads to the creation of more resources. Is it? Do you know the discovery or inventions? Discovery of the fire. It led to the practice of cooking. Now we are cooking because of discovery of fire. The ancient time the man only discovered the fire. And the invention of the wheel. Now we are using so many kinds of transport because of the invention of wheel. And the technology of the creating hydroelectricity. Now we are using electricity power because of invention of hydroelectricity. So the people also call it an important resource. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetables and textbooks are used by us, so they have utility. Utility or usability makes an object or substances to a resource. Things become resources only when they have a value. Utility gives things a value. Value means worth. Some resources have economic value, means metals. Some do not have economic value, that is beautiful landscape. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. People themselves are the most important resources because of their ideas, knowledge, inventions and discoveries. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called a resource. Example, water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbook, etc. So answer the following questions. What is resource? Give two examples. What makes substances as a resource? What do you mean by value? Dash and dash can change substances into resource. Last question. Why people themselves call it a resource? Okay, thank you students. Answer these questions. In the next class, we shall continue the topic.